Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi. I'm working as consultant ophthalmologist Manipal Hospital, Goa. So as you know, we are all celebrating festival of Holi, which is also festival of colors. People like to play around with colors and have lot of fun with it. In this regard, what can happen is our eyes can get damaged or they are at risk of getting injury with those colors. So what are some of the precautions we can take in this regard? It's always better prevention than cure. So what are certain preventive methods you can take? Especially people who use contact lens, I suggest please avoid using contact lens during playing of Holi because these small color particles get trapped in the contact lens and can cause serious injury to eye. So totally avoid using contact lens. Wear your prescribed glasses, and people who do not use any glasses can buy a protective eyewear or eye goggles and use and play the Holi. Secondly, whenever any color particle enters your eye, do not rub your eyes because rubbing your eyes means the small color particles can damage the cornea and cause wound in the eye. So do not rub your eye. So in case of you are playing a Holi, use organic colors rather than the chemical because that is less harmful to the eye compared to the chemical ones. So in case by mistake some color enters your eyes, first thing what you have to do is do not rub your eyes. Secondly, use RO water compared to the tap water. RO water is preferred. Use 2 to 3 bottles of cold RO water and copiously wash or irrigate your eyes. After that, if you feel any discomfort, redness, irritation, watering, pain or blurring of vision, please do promptly seek ophthalmologist advice and do not go for over-the-counter eye drops prescribed by the chemist. So these are certain precautions and safety measures which you can take. What we have seen is nowadays people even use the water balloons. Now the problem with water balloons are they are high pressure balloons, so when you throw at people and if their eyes get damaged, it can really cause serious damage to the eye. So try avoiding these water balloons. So these are some of the precautions which you can take. Finally, I wish you all very happy and safe colorful Holi.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.